Hey, Brian O here. I'm going to show you how to use the MH5 movers at Atomic Cowboy in the bootleg with Martin Light Jockey on this laptop. So, you got to turn on the lights. First thing with this circuit box, I've got the lights on. Can't really tell yet. Just turn on the computer, and this is what you'll see. So let's go ahead and start up Light Jockey. Okay. So you're going to kind of have a few things pop up when you open it. You're going to have Light Jockey, which is the larger window with all the pictures. Then you're going to have another window, Light Jockey Manager, which is kind of another program within it. So this is how you program it, and Light Jockey Manager is how you're really going to run the lights. Okay, first thing you're going to have to do though is you'll see this little error message, launching visualizer program. Go ahead and ignore that. That's not really an error, but it doesn't like to really initialize until that has been addressed. So you can pretty much ignore this large window. We're going to be working mostly out of Light Jockey Manager. You go to Touch Panel, you'll see that there's 3 different touch panels. Go ahead and open up each of these and you'll see they open up a window with a bunch of buttons. Alright, you can kind of arrange them as you want. So each of these windows kind of changes different attributes of the lights. I don't know if you can see the tiles, but you have right here you have movements, blink patterns, and colors. So each of those, this will affect the movements of the fixtures, how they're blinking, and then the different colors that are available. So right here we've got some different movements such as up, down, around, or in and out, or some of the names are kind of arbitrary. You kind of just have to figure out what each one does. Spinning faster is going to do kind of like a cool spinning effect, kind of high energy, where something like a static is just, the lights kind of pointing down at the stage. So different looks for different moments within the show. You also, remember that the screen is a touch screen, so you can touch it and it'll change the colors of the lights. Anyway, so you've got the colors, pretty self-explanatory. You can see different colors. You've got blink patterns here as well. So you've got kind of, strobing or fade. So one of that pretty much explains itself. There's one more feature that you might find useful. Down here you'll see it says Auto Light Show 10 minutes. So what this is this will kind of run a background program that will take over. So about every minute a new sequence will initialize. So it really allows you, like if you have a DJ where you just want some party lights, but you don't really need to, just kind of keep the energy going, but you don't need to set the lights at certain times and just kind of want them to keep looking good for kind of a dance party. Just let them run and that'll be great. You can still take over and do stuff, but every minute or so, the auto light show will take over. The way you can tell that's running is if you kind of look in Light Jockey, you'll see the cue list. It says Atomic 10-minute light show here. So no matter what you do, that will always take back over every minute or so unless you hit the light show off button down here, and then you'll see that the blank cue list is there. So then it'll be back to fully manual operation. It will stay on whatever setting that until you change it. All right, there you go.